Why are you so determined to get these bastards? All right, who is this? I don't know yet.
Listen to me. The content of the tape I've got is very dangerous. Maybe we should talk about it. Why should I talk to you?
I offer you $1,000 for the Mastertape. I don't care what you want! With that tape, I can dismantle the government of Bern and re-establish the Third Reich. You are wrong. I am not Ostermann. I don't want a spy. I want my husband. As a friend, I will say, don't trust anybody. Cut the crap, Stuttgart. Don't you understand? You're all part of it. Many people died for this, you know. That tape belongs to me. I don't ask again. Drop the gun. The tape, please. Drop the gun. You will have 5 seconds to decide if you hand over the Mastertape or not.